health exists at the Atlanta VA. Our reason for having our Whole Health Fusion today is try to get that information out there to let folks know there are other alternatives to care. The Circle of Health has 8 sections. So what we try to do is set up tables that caters to each section of the Circle of Health. And Whole Health has been around since about 2017 at the Atlanta VA, where we are trying to shift the focus and go to a more of a holistic approach. I want the name Whole Health to stick into folks' minds. So when you go to your appointments, even if your provider does not mention whole health to you, we want you to mention whole health to them. Let the provider know what matters to you. They can enter a consult for whole health, whereas the veteran would take introduction to whole health. And that is where we give you a snippet of all the things that whole health offers within the Atlanta VA.